The new Chevrolet Avalanche is the truck you've been waiting for. Not only does it have the power, but it's got the latest in safety and entertainment features too. And of course, there's no better place to find the widest selection of Chevy vehicles than at Willis Automotive. Check out our interactive website at www.willisgm.com. There, you can see our huge inventory of new vehicles, check out our service center for information or to set an appointment, see pictures and bios of our friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, find out what kind of special financing is available, and read more about the Willis Automotive experience to see what sets us apart from other dealerships. Willis Automotive is located at 2707 South DuPont Boulevard in Smyrna, Delaware.